very good evening to you. Today is 10th of January 2021. It's 7 p.m. here in the United Kingdom. Welcome all, whether you're joining us live or via our podcast, to the weekly MoneyByte meet, where we update you on what's been going on with MoneyByte over the last week, what new things we've been working on for you. Well, it's been an exciting week. Bitcoin continues to excite us all, hitting the general press an awful lot more and general media. I'm also seeing a lot of adverts popping up now on Facebook and other mediums promoting Bitcoin and the services and what it's all about. Well, it's been a rocky old ride for it, bobbing up around the 40 mark, currently at $37,795 per Bitcoin, which is a fall today of 6.17%. But it's been up and down. Ethereum's been also following that track as well, to $1,276. So it's been quite a roller coaster of a ride for a lot. Dash was very slow coming to the party this week. It has finally caught up, and we expect great things. Obviously, Dash is the most valuable masternode coin out there, I do believe, if anyone can set me right on that. We all aspire to have a Dash masternode with an ROI of 6%. Be considered one of the safer ones out there. But one day, who knows, MoneyByte may well bring it to the platform. In the meantime, we will continue to build up our extensive portfolio of altcoin masternodes to give you the opportunity to diversify your portfolios, to say the least. Virtually all the payouts have been done this week. The last few are just going through as we speak. It's been a good week overall. Please, if you are an ESBC follower or investor, please note that they have just released a new wallet update. I have posted a link to the GitHub for you to take their new wallet ready for the restarting of the node rewards. That it's been, the markets have been very volatile at the moment. And I did actually take the opportunity to look at gold over the last year, because people used to see gold as a security when times were hard out there. People used to switch from equities to gold, but it has been level for about the last 3 months now. Gold, and it's been around the $1,800 mark per ounce. It started at about $1,550, so it has been fairly stable throughout the year. But obviously, the world is an uncertain place at the moment with COVID. What's happening stateside at present? So we may see more people switch to gold for security for the longer term, whilst things all out. Right, that's the wider picture of what's been going on the market. I'm going to get Jimmy to come to the mic shortly to talk about our new offering that we've got on the platform, which is known as GoByte. Jimmy, are you there, please?
Good evening, Pete. Yeah, I'm there. Nice to hear you talk about the finance in the world and crypto in general. Always good to hear some insights about someone with a good view on it. According to the MoneyByte investing platform, we can announce you that today we have opened the GoByte hedged pool. What can I say about GoByte? I can tell a lot, but what I can say is they are developed. The blockchain is developed in 2017. Since then, it was left and taken over and left, and or taken over. Developers came back and left and came back, and so it was a sort of a yo-yo effect. But there was a community. There is a community behind it, supporting it, The price is stable around 70 sets, 50 sets, that range. The price is about that range. So it's a nice stable project, around for almost 4 years. That's a good sign. The developers aren't very active but aren't gone. They are on Stacks, the Stacks exchange, so that's also a good one. Hit BTC they are on, and System Coin. They have quite a large trading volume. The most of it is on Stacks, almost $7,000 trading volume each day. That's a lot. That's not bad. We are running a masternode for it on our platform, and as I said, the pool is opened, so you can start putting your MoneyByte coins on this pool and receive the rewards coming Sunday. That's about the platform. As Pete said, all the payouts are done. There are no big things to say unless you want to know about the coming releases. You can see a few on the investing.moneybyte.org hedge masternode section. There you can see the coming pools to be released. But after those, there are several waiting to be released. So the coming months, January, February, March, will be some very good additions for the hedged pool section. Then about the marketing, we had some quite a big activity around Christmas, New Year's Eve, and then we were a bit quiet on the social media, not because we didn't want to, but we want to have a little bit rest period. But we are going to take the glove and make it a bit more active. We started also an account on Parler. As everyone knows, on Twitter and Facebook is a lot of going on. According to Trump, he is deleted on those platforms. A lot of people are angry about it. A lot of people are glad about it. But whatever you think about it, the reality is that those platforms can do whatever they want with certain views, and whether we like it or not, crypto is a view that isn't liked by the general banks, etc., etc. We are not accepted as much as we want, so it is possible that crypto can be banned from Twitter, from Facebook, etc. And for that, we are also expanding our view to other platforms like Parler or Gap or other sort of platforms where we can announce our coin and tell the people who we are. Also, we have our Bitcoin talk. We didn't do much with that, but because these are very troubled times for crypto, we think it will be good to be a bit more active on Bitcoin talk. So if you are a Bitcoin talk user, be welcome over there. We are going to be more active there also. That about and also don't forget our YouTube channel. As long as we are allowed to do our crypto talks, we are posting our live podcast over there. Also other videos will be posted over there, so be welcome also there. That was the talk about the marketing, the investing platform. We had some talks, but there are also other things going on, because we are working not only on hedge pools and other and things like that. We are also working on our platform itself. There are coming some nice cool changes on our platform. We are still working on it. We cannot announce when we will do the changes. It won't be next year. That long we won't have to, it won't take, but it also won't be tomorrow. So it will take a little bit time, but we are working, and I can tell you we are working on a user login, so everyone who wants to log in can log in on his own account and see his own investments, can see in which pools he invested, what his balance of MoneyByte on the platform is, and when we have done that, we can also do other cool things, like maybe integrate a MoneyByte wallet on the platform, etc., etc. So we are working on some cool things for the investment platform. Some of the team members are working on it. Regarding that, I have to tell you about the security, because going to that stage, then security is involved, and we can tell you we won't go away from the cold wallets like we are working now. We will stay working with cold wallets. We know that will be a lot of work for us, the team members, but that's a choice we made. We don't want automated wallets on the platform because we don't want to be hacked. So we choose for a 99.99% security. We are using cold wallets, so all your coins are on wallets, not online. Also the hedge pools wallets are not online, they are all offline, and we keep working like that. We are going to make a really cool, smooth working platform, but the back will be the same. So that's about the security. Also, our developers, David especially, is working on a new wallet. There are some small things that needed to be made, like the masternode amount that's not locked for the moment, and we want it locked. You have to think about that, small changes like the installation directory. You can choose on which drive you install MoneyByte. So small changes like that, we are working on that. David is working on it, and we hope to announce a new wallet. It won't be a mandatory wallet, but there will be a new wallet coming soon. So that's all I had to say this week, Pete.
That's great, thanks, Jimmy. So new things to the platform, new additions. We're looking at the advances of the platform because we've proved the concept and the concept works. So time to step that up a gear and move that on. And lots more things happening, more additions coming to the platform. All great news. We obviously please, as Jimmy just mentioned, about security, with BTC and other cryptos being so high at the moment, it is a hacker's paradise on these exchanges. Okay, please do not keep large amounts of MoneyByte on those exchanges. Also, in the currencies of BTC, whatever other currencies you keep, please use the exchange for what it's there for. On, trade, off. Don't leave large amounts on those exchanges, because you never know what's going to happen, whether they get hacked, whether they're still going to be around, when close up shop, put KYC on. You don't know what is around the corner. So please just use it as a temporary stop, do your trading, and then return them back to your wallet. Okay. So thank you very much. Sorry to go on about security, but it is of the utmost importance, not only to MoneyByte and project, but it should be at the forefront of your mind as well. It was good to see a little bit of buying on MoneyByte on GravX over the last couple of days. We did see a seller take it down to 150, took the bid out down to 150, but it is showing a little bit of strength behind the scenes, and I know it's a lot further on down the order book, but there is some BTC there just waiting for the opportunity, and maybe they've been watching the movements on the Explorer. But the supply and demand is good. There is some demand for MoneyByte there, and as we launch more products, that will encourage more people to the platform and to buy. And the supply, even though it's a little higher than has been over the last couple of weeks, the proportion is still good. So onwards and upwards for MoneyByte. Good to see a couple more new members join this week, and I have seen a few new names appear on the back end of the investment platform. So welcome to all our new investors. Thank you very much. Please check out all the stats on our MoneyByte hedge page for the latest rates, returns, and what you can expect each week. With that, I will sign off now. I will wish you a very happy forthcoming week. Please stay safe and look forward to speaking to you all next week. Thanks for tuning in.